Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Gimkit. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gimkit.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gimkit website. Now right within the homepage, you will see the sign up for free option and also the login button underneath. Just click on this option and you will be asked to either continue with your Google account or proceed by entering your email address. If you chose your Google account while signing up, then you can click on continue with Google or just enter your email address that you have used while signing up. Then click on continue and you will be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password and then click on the login button, and now you will be logged in to your Gimkit account right away. And now you can immediately start joining your classes and access various different kits. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Gimkit. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.